With mango season just around the corner, here is a super easy, healthy, and delicious mango chia seed pudding recipe for you. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We all love mangoes, don't we? Not only is it immensely delicious, but it's highly nutritious as well. So in today's video, we'll be making this simple but tasty mango chia seed pudding, and all you need is just 6 ingredients. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into my kitchen. In a blender, add 240 ml of fat-free milk, along with 250 grams of mango, 30 grams of natural honey, a pinch of cinnamon, and a bit of vanilla extract. Once you've added all of that, go ahead and blend it all up. Once done, transfer it into a bowl and add 20 grams of chia seeds. Give it a good mix and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. And that's pretty much it, guys. Once the chia seeds absorb the liquid, it becomes nice and thick. Top it off with a bit of chopped mangoes, and there you go. Your delicious mango chia seed pudding is ready. This is such a simple and easy recipe, guys. It literally takes 5 minutes to make, and with summer almost on its way, that only means one thing: it's mango season time. So this is the perfect dessert to have whenever you are craving something sweet. Now, moving on to the calories and the macros, if you divide this recipe into 3 servings, then each serving is about 150 calories, of which 27 grams are carbs, 3 grams are fat, and 4 grams are protein. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Do give the recipe a try, guys. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.